Okay, let's have example number 2. What's the simplified form of 3x minus 6 over x squared plus x minus 6 and state any excluded values? First, let us identify the excluded values. So as mentioned, the excluded values, just look at the denominator, x squared plus x minus 6, it should not be equal to 0. So technically our um, factor for this, you have to think of factors of negative 6 that will give you sum of 1. So factors of negative 6, we have 6 and negative 1, negative 6 and 1, 2 and negative 3, negative 2 and 3. And between those four factors, the one that will give you a sum of 1 is negative 2 and 3. So in other words, factors of x squared are x times x, negative 6, that will give you positive 1 is negative 2, and positive 3. And then solve for x minus 2 not equal to 0. The other is x plus 3 not equal to 0. Solve for x. So the first value must not be equal to 2. The second value must not be equal to negative 3. So let's solve. So we have 3x minus 6 over x squared minus x minus 6. We already knew the factor of the denominator. We solved it in the excluded values, and that is x minus 2, x plus 3. Now, for 3x minus 6, this is called the working solution. For 3x minus 6, this is the same as 3x and the negative 6. So 3 can be factored by 3 and x, while negative 6 can be factored as 3 and negative 2. So we have a common factor here as 3. So that is 3, and then you just bring down x minus 2. So this is now 3, x minus 2. So there is a common factor between the numerator and the denominator, and that is x minus 2. So this is 1. That will give us 3 over x plus 3. This is a simplified form. In other words, the simplified form is 3 over x plus 3, and the excluded values are x not equal to 2 or x not equal to negative 3. So try to answer practice exercises number 2.